Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you an easy way to get Chrome on your Mac. Okay, first you can head over to Safari, which is the default browser. You can go ahead and click that and click Google full screen. And I'll just show you what version I'm on, just so if you're wondering. I'm on version 10.15.6. Here you can go ahead and type in Google Chrome, enter, and you can click the second link. So I can go ahead and click download Chrome, and you can see up here that it's being downloaded. I'll click that. So once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and click this twice. Okay, now it brought you to this page, and then you can just grab the Google Chrome icon and just drag it to the application folder. Now it's going to copy Google Chrome to applications. So now you can go down to Finder. You can go to applications and then click on the Google Chrome icon. Double click on this. And it's going to ask you, Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And you have to say open. And it brings you to this page. I'll just browse as a guest for right now. And there you go. You can search up whatever you want. Right here. There we go. Gmail. Everything works. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks.